What is up, my beautiful babies and babes of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video.
Perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it. Hope that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Red dress up and taste.
Now, excuse my appearance. It is actually like probably like 2 or 3 in the morning. Crap, I just messed that up. But it was like 2 or 3 in the morning, and I noticed, or I was, no, I can't even talk. I've been a little preoccupied, so I haven't been posting anything. But it's not because I just needed a break or anything. I've actually, I told you guys that we've moved. Well, I'm actually settling in, so I'm trying to put together a makeup station. I have a makeup table, I have my brushes and everything, and my light. And when I get settled, I'll do like a budget-friendly, makeup station thing. I don't know, but I'm coming to you guys today because, or like technically at night, because this is gonna be like a vlog, because I have exciting news. I have been asked to do a fashion show. Not participate, but do the girls' makeup or the women's makeup who's in the fashion show. I'm going to be doing their makeup. This came about a few weeks ago, and I've been dying to tell you guys, but I wanted to make sure that everything was in play, and I didn't want to jinx anything. So, a few weeks ago, I went to work and I did my makeup that day because I just felt like doing my makeup, and if I have a picture, I'll insert it. But, so I did my makeup that day, and this woman comes up to me and she goes, "Excuse me, do you do your makeup yourself?" And I was like, "Yeah." And so, like, a lot of people ask me that question, like, "Oh, do you do your makeup by yourself?" And I'm like, "Yeah, honey, I'm too broke. I don't have money to be paying people to do it for me." But yeah, so she asked me, I was like, "Yeah, I do it myself." And she goes, "Well, I'm actually doing a fashion show, and I would love it if you would do some of the girls' makeup for me." And of course I said yeah. So she gave me her number and her contact information, and we started talking, and I was like, "Well, I don't want to call you unless I know for sure that I'm getting the approval off for the day." So I got approved, and I called her like 2 days later, and she gave me all the details, and we discussed the look she wants, and here I am. So this is actually the day before, or technically it's the day of, but it's like, because it's like 3 in the morning, but the day before / the day of the event. And it's a non-profit fashion show. Well, they're a non-profit, but she asked me if she could pay me, and I was like, yeah. So I'm pretty excited. So my plan is to take you guys along with me and try to record as much as I can, with the girls' consent, of course, and post some of the looks on my Snapchat, my YouTube, or the vlog on my YouTube, and some of the, the looks on my Instagram. So I'm honestly really excited, but also really nervous, because this is like my first major event besides YouTube that anyone is going to be wearing my makeup. Like, I've always done it on like just close friends or stuff like that, but not for other people to see. Well, you guys know what I mean, like a fashion show. So I'm pretty excited about that, and a little bit nervous as well. So with that being said, I am sorry I've been absent, but that's the reason why, is because I've just been preparing for this fashion show, getting everything together. But guys, do you guys see where we are? The Babe and Game Squad is at 780 plus subscribers. That's crazy. 20 something more, or not even that, but only a few people more, and the giveaway is happening. And the next post will probably be I'm starting to order everything, and I'm just waiting until it gets shipped to my house. And I can't wait to show you guys what's actually in the giveaway. If I do say so myself, it's some pretty good quality makeup, and most of it is not budget friendly. Like, because when I first started using or doing YouTube, I only did budget friendly stuff, but now your girl just thinks she rich, cause I'm not doing so much budget friendly stuff, but I don't mind, you know, giving away the makeup products because you guys have supported me this far on my journey, and we are almost at 800 subscribers. Like, we are growing as a family, as a squad, and you guys support me and show me so love, and I look at the sweet comments and I try to respond back if I'm not at work because work keeps me busy. But thank you, because I've noticed that I don't say thank you enough to you guys, but thank you so much. So with that being said, I don't want this to be too long of me talking, but yeah, I'm super excited about tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna get that much sleep, to be honest. I have to be up super early, but I have to be at the event at 11:30. So with that being said, wish me luck. The next time you see my face, I'll probably be getting ready for the event or already ready. I don't really know. So see you guys in a few. What is up, guys? It is 10:30 in the morning, and I didn't hear my alarm go off, so we're gonna be pushing it. I'm about to do my makeup and get ready for today, and then I'll see you guys in a few. Hopefully I'll be able to record as much as I really want to. If not, I'll show you clips in there or try to sneak it in and stuff like that. So see you guys in a few. Bye. Alright guys, so I am ready. I just did something simple, like a little halo eye, and a little blush and highlight. I am honestly look a little bit nervous, but we're gonna make the best of the situation, and I'll see you guys at the event. Wish me luck. So just did my first person. Makeup turned out really good. We're gonna continue on with the show. There's a lot of people here. I don't want to show them because some of them are getting dressed up. But yeah, so far so good. Off to a good start. So see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm back from the fashion show and it went very successful. Unfortunately, I did not get footage of me actually doing the makeup because it was just so chaotic and people were changing and it was just a lot. So, but my mom did end up taking pictures. There were just a few pictures. So, this video is probably going to be short, but I just want to talk about like how surreal it is right now. Like, for those people, like for your makeup to be showcased in front of a lot of people is something. And first of all, I don't know if I've said this in any earlier clips, but the theme of it was Indian. So it was for an Indian themed fashion show. They were showcasing the I can't remember what it was, but altogether it was very beautiful. I was really grateful to be a part of the entire thing. The women were gorgeous. And they were very grateful that I was there too. It was a lot. It was a lot to do. Like, we've been gone since 11:15, and it is now like 5 o'clock. So yeah, it was pretty tiring doing all the women's back to back, but it was a great experience, and I wouldn't change it for the world. And I did get a lot of compliments. I got to meet the president of that organization. She was very grateful that I did their makeup. The fashion show was a huge success. Honestly, it's still, some parts of it is still going on, but the parts where I did the makeup in, that went first. So I just left afterwards because I had been there all day. I'm kind of tired, to be honest, but it was just, it's an amazing experience to actually know that my makeup was actually seen by a lot of people. And I sat in the very back because, as I mentioned before, it was Indian. It was an Indian theme, which, you know, I didn't want to be up front. I wanted to kind of stand back because, you know, I didn't want to seem like I can't find the right words for it, but if you guys know what I'm trying to say, go ahead and comment it down below. But it was just a surreal experience. But the part that I loved the most about it was being able to see my makeup and it actually being seen from the far back. Like I did this, the first person I did had this gorgeous, beautiful makeup done. It was glitter and blue, and it was just gorgeous with a dramatic wing, and it was super gorgeous. The people were very amazing to work with, and it also was nice to get to work with someone outside of your culture, do things, and just learn how they like their makeup done instead of just like going off of what you want to do. Like that part was hard, but I did it, and a lot of people enjoyed it. So I just want to say that I'm very thankful for this experience, and I'm just honestly, there's more to come in the future. I'm honestly looking forward to how things are gonna go in the future. So yeah, with that being said, guys, always remember to stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sorry I didn't get to vlog as much, but I didn't really want to show people changing and everything like that. But yeah, guys, see you later.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny.